Dear student, in this session we are going to discussing about solving JEE Main 2026 chemistry problem. My name is Kalees and handling NEET JEE Chemistry classes through online mode. We will discuss one by one, my dear student. This is noted to be question number 56. At 298 Kelvin E0 value, it is denoted as X. Okay, the E0 value for Fe3 plus 2 Fe, it is denoted as Y volt. Okay, so the E0 value for Fe3 plus 2 plus is asked. What about the formula we have? This is the question. Okay, my dear student, first it is denoted as equation 1. Okay, it is denoted as equation 2. It is denoted as equation 3. For 3 reaction, I am going to writing the reduction reaction for each 3 cases. Okay, for each 3 reaction, I am going to writing the reduction reaction. Okay, the first one, yes, my dear student, Fe2 plus 2 Fe. How many electrons is needed? Yes, I am writing Fe2 plus 2. It is denoted as aqueous, and 2 electrons needed to make it as neutral 1. Okay, this is the equation 1. This is the equation 1. N value goes to 2. Okay, the second equation, in this case, how many electrons needed? Fe3 plus 2, 3 electron is needed to converting this one is neutral 1. Okay, here in this case N is equal to 3. Okay, my dear student. The third one, yes, my dear student, third one, this is the question. Okay, so Fe3 plus 2, this is aqueous, this also aqueous. Okay, in order to get Fe2 plus, only 1 electron is needed. Okay, only 1 electron is needed, we may get Fe2 plus. It is also aqueous. In this case N is equal to 1. Okay, my dear student, for each case I have written reduction reaction, and also one important equation we know that del G naught is equal to minus N E naught F. Okay, N stands for number of electron, del G stands for Gibbs free energy, E naught stands for standard electrode potential, and charge of the electron, that is quantity of charge in Faraday. Okay, for this equation, for the equation 1, I am going to writing del G 1. Okay, del G naught 1, which is taken as how many electrons is needed in this case? Yes, 2. And E naught value, very important here in this case. For equation 1, E naught value can be taken as X. Very important, my dear student. For the first reaction, E naught value for Fe2 plus 2 Fe, it is taken as X. Okay, so you just write here X and Faraday. This is the one. For second reaction, del G naught 2, in this case how many electrons? 3 electrons. For Fe3 plus 2 Fe, the value is taken as Fe3 plus 2 Fe, it is taken as Y. Yes, my dear student, E naught Fe3 plus 2 Fe, it is taken as Y. Okay, so you just put Y into F. Okay, the third reaction, del G naught 3 is equal to N value goes to be 1. So E naught value will be E naught here. The third reaction, there is no substitution is given, so it is taken as E naught value and F. So what is our requirement? What is our need? The E naught value for Fe3 plus 2 Fe2 plus is asked. For this purpose, I am going to do one conversion, that is del G naught 3 is equal to subtracting del G1 from del G2. Okay, you may get the value for E naught value. In order to get E naught value for Fe3 plus 2 Fe2 plus, you must do this conversion. Okay, so I go to for del G naught, what about the value I have? Minus 1 E naught F. Okay, for del G2, what we have? Minus 3 Y F. Okay, minus. Okay, for del G1, what about del G1? Minus 2xf. Okay, my dear student. Okay, you just do this conversion, yf plus 2xf. Okay, 2xf. Okay, this one E naught f. Taking f as outside, taking f, okay, we may get minus 3y plus 2x f. Okay, f will be cancelled. You may get the equation minus E naught is equal to minus 3y plus 2x. Okay, so E naught value will be 3y minus 2x. Okay, so E naught value for this conversion, E naught for Fe 3 plus 2, Fe 2 plus, you may get this equation. This is denoted as, what is the option we have? 3y minus 2x. Okay, 3y minus 2x. Here what we had? 3y minus 2x. This is the correct answer. Okay, clear? In order to get my online classes, you kindly connect me this number. My name is Kalees. Subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, my dear student. Bye.